Hello guys, welcome back to yet another video. So in past when theme store was introduced on OxygenOS 15, we did a video about best themes and it's been long time I haven't covered that topic. So in this video I'll talk about some of my favorite theme which I personally use on my OnePlus smartphones running OxygenOS 15. But before moving ahead guys, if you find the content useful to you guys, then make sure to smash the like button and also consider subscribing. Okay, so here I have my OnePlus 13. Generally I use this device as my primary phone, so most of the themes have been downloaded on this device itself. And if you guys aren't aware, on OnePlus smartphones we do have this theme store available from where you can download multiple themes. And in this theme store, you can also get some exclusive themes free of cost for a month. So that pop-up will appear if there are any themes available for free of cost. And guys, most of the themes here only customizes the lock screen, home screen, not the entire UI. So keep this thing in mind before downloading or paying for any theme. And by the way guys, I've made a dedicated video on my favorite wallpapers also. Link of that video can be found in the description below if you like those wallpapers which can be used in Flux theme along with that depth effect. So check out the video which is being displayed on the screen. So in the theme store application, tapping on me section, going to downloads, here you can see I do have 7 themes. One by one we'll cover all the themes and I'll tell you what all things are customizable and how do they look. So the first one is 3D Pure Loft and this is how it looks. I personally like this theme a lot due to the colors present in this theme. By the way, if you want it for the lifetime, it's just 40 rupees guys, and I've purchased all the themes to show you guys. So a single like will be really appreciated. So here, whenever you select any theme, if you have downloaded, you can see it will give you all the options. Like where to apply, you do have an option to apply it on icons, apply to lock screen on home screen. You can choose any one of them, either the lock screen or both the things. So I've selected lock screen and home screen wallpaper. I'll tap on apply and this is how it looks. It's very minimal and really looks cool. You can see few of the icons do look really great here. But in most of the themes, not all applications adapt to the icon, but most of the Google applications and OnePlus stock applications do change the icons. But applications like Telegram, YT Music, YT Studio do have the stock icon. And as I told you guys, the theme doesn't get applied in the control center or not even in the settings page. So I hope in future they do bring this support also, which will let you customize the entire device. And this is how it looks on the home screen, and if I lock the device, this is how it looks on the lock screen. If you swipe from the left side, it will turn on the dark mode, and if you swipe from the left side, it will turn on the light mode. But that dark mode will be only applied to the lock screen, not the home screen. You can see you do have the battery percentage level, time and date. So this is one theme which I mostly use on my OnePlus smartphone. After that, moving on to the next theme, which is metal liquid battery. And this is very simple. Again, you do get options to select lock screen icons and home screen wallpaper. Tapping on apply. So this is how it looks on the home screen and the app drawer. Again, not all applications do support the icon pack from this theme store. And if you lock the device, this is how it will appear. You can swipe from the left side to open up more options. Like you have the Google, Facebook, YouTube, etc. And if you plug in the charger, you'll see these minor animations in the battery bar. After that, moving to the third one, which is be a tacky person. And I personally like this theme a lot because it do have that 3D effect. So let's apply this theme. So this is how it looks here on the home screen. And you can see on this theme, almost all the applications have adapted to the icon pack of this particular theme. When you lock the device, this is how it appears. And if you see, when I move the device, the wallpaper also moves, giving a 3D effect. Here you do get the calendar. Towards the bottom side, you have a countdown about how much time left for the day and few more applications. Below that, you have the time, and here you can set the wallpaper also. Tapping on set, wallpaper option will appear. From here, you can choose different wallpapers. Turning off automatic, you can select this one. There are 4 wallpapers present from which you can select any one of them, or else you can tap on automatic, so automatically the wallpaper will be changed. And if you want to turn off this 3D effect, just tap on this G sensor and the wallpaper will be static. So this is again something which I like a lot. Moving on to the fourth one, which is OS Technology Frog. And these are very simple. They also look beautiful once you apply on the device. So let's apply it. So here you can see it looks so neat with this white icon pack, and all the icons do have a minor shadow. In this also, 90% of the application icons are changed. And on the lock screen, this is how it looks. The entire screen pops up from the top side. Here you have the time, animated frog, Facebook, along with the dates, day countdown, and here it will also show you the birthday. How many days left for the birthday if it is being added in the calendar. And you'll also see these small bubbles going from the bottom side. And also if you plug in the charger, you'll see this portion getting animated. You can see these levels going up. So this one is for people who actually wants a good looking lock screen. After that we have this Timetrack C, and this is again very minimal. tapping on apply. So this is how it looks on the home screen. Here you have the app drawer and all the icons do look similar. After that, talking about lock screen, this is how it looks, very minimal. Towards the top side you have a clock, below that date and day, and also you have the battery level. If you attach the charger, you'll see a different screen on this particular theme, and this is the charging screen, which is again very clean. Again, the sixth one is very simple, called New Mimic Chenchuan. Once you apply, this is how it looks. Again, a very cool looking icon pack. On the lock screen, this is how it looks. Towards the top side, you have a small emoji. Beneath that, with a different color code, you have day and date. Your daily notes will be shown here. You have a photo frame, and it will also show you the remaining day along with the battery percentage widget. And if you connect your device to the charger, you'll just see a small charging icon on this widget of battery. Talking about the last theme, which is fresh contracted style. So tapping on it, tapping on apply, and again here you can take a look at the home screen, the app drawer, going to the lock screen. Here all the tiles appear from the left side and right side, and you have tiles like clock, electricity. By tapping on this brightness slider, you can switch between dark mode and light mode. Here you have your birthday days, again time remaining for the day and time remaining for the rest of the year. And you can see how beautiful the lock screen looks on this theme. So guys, these are some of the themes which I personally use on my OnePlus smartphone. Though they are the paid ones, but it doesn't cost much, around 40 to 50 rupees you can get these themes. And I always appreciate supporting developers. I'll provide the direct links of these themes so that you can just click on the link, you can just download directly. And let me know in the comment section below which theme you like the most. As of now, only this much in this video. This is your friend Ashok signing out. See you guys in the next video.